Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Block Blast app. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. You just have to launch your Google Play Store or App Store, and over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Block Blast. Now once you see the icon of Block Blast game, you just have to simply tap on it, and if you see any update button over here instead of play, it means that you are having the latest version of Block Blast. So you just have to simply tap on the update button and wait for some time until the update is installed in your device. Once the installation is completed, you will see this type of play button again, where you just have to tap on the play button, and now you can start playing Block Blast game in your mobile device very easily. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.